I'm sorry for leaving you on a little bit of a cliffhanger there. We got annoyed by someone that lives across the street from us, but we'll continue the video now. What do you want to talk about, Sock Monkey?
Just come over here.
Alright, I guess I'll come take a seat.
Let's see what he's talking about. What he's up to. So, look, I'm sorry I did that to you.
I guess me too.
We've been friends and roommates for so many years, and I hate to see you mad at me.
Yeah. Sock Monkey? I don't know. Know what, Sock Monkey? How about we go inside and we try to use my RC car?
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. But wait, I still haven't found the charger for it.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Hey, little kitty. Whoa. Huh, here's my RC car controller.
Do I need to close the door?
Alright. So, alright. Hey, Sock Monkey, get over here. We're gonna play with my RC car. But wait a minute. Oh. Where's my RC car? Of course.
I got a bad feeling about something. I don't know what it is.
Let's turn my RC car on.
Well, you're not going to drive that off the couch, are you?
Sock Monkey, it died! Again! And I didn't even get a charger for it yet. Sock Monkey, I'm gonna call a repairman. Gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna call a repairman. Repairman, hello? Repairman. Repairman.
Hello?
Oh, yeah, I ordered an RC car from your company, and I didn't get a charger with it. Do you guys think I could get a charger?
Oh, see, the thing about that is, boss, what am I tell him? Just hang up, just hang up. No, I don't want to just hang up on him. Can you hear this whole entire thing? Probably. How am I gonna tell him this was a scam? Fuck. I just said that this was a scam.
You guys scammed me? Wow, they scammed me.
What? Dude,
Yeah.
that was like $50. This RC car was like $50.
I mean, at least we have it.
You gotta sue them.
Yeah, you're right, Sock Monkey. How about, know what, Sock Monkey? Let's go to the room. Let's watch our Roku.
See, it sounded like the dog.
Know what, Sock Monkey? You go ahead. You go to the room and watch the Roku. I want to take a bath. I'm gonna take a bath in the sink. Yep. All right. I'm gonna get the water running. Yay!
Sounds like he's up to something. Sounds like he's taking a bath in the sink. He's never done that. Orio's been doing a lot of things that he hasn't done. I don't know why that is. Mom, I hope you have a good time. I hope you're having a good time in heaven right now. If you can see me right now, then you might know that, well, I've been having a great life ever since you died. And I wish you were still here. I love you, Mom.
A few minutes later of watching favorite TV show.
Oh, wow. This TV show's awesome. Only.
Stop right there, criminal scum. You're the villain of this city. Yeah. I mean, wait, no. I'm not a villain. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, you are. I caught you in the robbery. What?
Oh my god.
Now, returning with Mario, finishing up his shower in the bath. That was actually a pretty good bath. Man, that felt good. Hey, Sock Monkey, watching your favorite TV show?
Yeah, Mario. Whatever happened to Luigi?
I really don't know. He hasn't called me in a while.
Maybe you should call him.
Meh. So, what do you want to do, Sock Monkey? Let's keep watching the Roku, Sock Monkey. Doo-doo. What the? Sock Monkey, did you not change the Roku batteries?
Well, it was working just earlier. So it must
No, I'm gonna check the battery. Huh? It says dead.
That's weird. It was working just earlier.
Sock Monkey, that's because I was using the shorter batteries. You have to go buy new batteries. You know what, Sock Monkey?
You really gonna make me walk all the way to the store?
You know what, Sock Monkey? Let's just go out. I don't know, Sock Monkey. Huh? A cat?
Mario, don't carry me like that.
But it's just a cat.
Mario, don't treat Sally like that.
Wait, Sock Monkey, you got a cat?
Yeah, I named her
Wee!
Sally. Hey, be careful with her. She's pregnant.